Today we are going to learn how to eat a muffin with fresh blueberry. Yet you have to peel the muffin so that skin is removed. Eating that won't hurt, but it does not taste super good. Make sure to get a bread knife, because muffins are kind of like bread anyway. Somebody baked them. Next, spread the butter or margarine on the muffin. This man used the bread knife. You can actually use a butter knife if you like. Use Smucker's pure jelly. There is no other acceptable choice. Before placing the jelly on the muffin, put in a science oven for approximately 20 seconds. Next, carefully take some tablespoons of the jelly and put on the muffin. Next, sit down like this man and eat the thing. You can see he is super happy and enjoying his muffin. Don't you want a muffin with great jelly like him? There is no other acceptable choice.